Buying a Mercedes S-Class can either be the smartest luxury decision you'll ever make or the fastest way to destroy your bank account. This car is the benchmark of the automotive world, but only if you choose the right year. Pick the wrong one, and you're not owning luxury, you're funding suspension failures, electronics nightmares, and repair bills that quietly exceed the value of the car. In this video, we're breaking down the Mercedes S-Class years that actually make sense to own, and the ones that look perfect on paper but turn into financial traps once the warranty is gone. This isn't about brand loyalty or nostalgia. It's about understanding generations, engine designs, suspension systems, and why some S-Class models will run to 300,000 miles while others barely survive ownership. We'll go through the worst years you should avoid, and the best years that deliver real flagship luxury without destroying you financially. This is not a list for dreamers. It's a survival guide for buyers who want the S-Class experience without financing their mechanic's retirement. Let's get into it. Let's start with one of the most dangerous traps in S-Class history: the 1999 to 2003 Mercedes-Benz S-Class W220 before the facelift. On the surface, this generation looks like an unbeatable deal. V8 power, full flagship presence, and used prices that feel almost too good to be true. And that's exactly the problem. This was the era when Mercedes shifted focus from over-engineering to cost-cutting, and the W220 paid the price. The engines themselves, especially the M113 V8, are not the villains here. The real damage comes from everything surrounding them. Airmatic suspension failures are common and expensive, with leaking struts and failing compressors that can easily turn into a $5,000 repair. Step up to higher trims with active body control, and the situation gets worse, with hydraulic failures that make standard Airmatic look cheap. Add to that widespread electronic issues, from SBC brake system failures to random warning lights and module problems that cost hundreds just to diagnose. Rust is another hidden killer on this generation, something no one expects from a Mercedes, showing up around wheel arches and under the battery tray. The result is a car that may be cheap to buy, but extremely expensive to live with. Unless you're looking for a project or a collector piece with flawless documentation, a pre-facelift W220 isn't a luxury bargain. It's a financial liability disguised as a flagship. Next up is a generation that hurts because it looks almost perfect: the 2014 to 2016 Mercedes-Benz S-Class W222 early years out of warranty. This is the S-Class that seduces buyers with design, comfort, and technology, then quietly punishes them once the warranty clock runs out. On the road, it feels incredible. It's smooth, refined, and effortlessly fast, whether you're in an S550 or an AMG variant. The engines themselves are not the core issue here. The real problem is complexity. This is where Mercedes went all in on advanced electronics, integrated systems, and software-heavy architecture before everything was fully proven long-term. Airmatic suspension components begin to age, with struts and compressors commonly failing between 80 and 100,000 miles, sometimes sooner, and repairs quickly climb into the thousands. Add to that widespread infotainment and command system glitches, frozen screens, connectivity dropouts, and modules that sometimes require full replacement rather than simple fixes. Even basic warning lights can turn into expensive diagnostic sessions before a single part is replaced. The W222 isn't unreliable because it's poorly built. It's risky because it's too advanced too early. Out of warranty, this car becomes a complexity tax that most owners aren't prepared for. That's why the early W222 years are best avoided unless coverage is still active. It's not a bad S-Class, it's just the wrong time to buy one used without protection. Now let's talk about the most controversial S-Class you can buy used, the 2021 to 2022 Mercedes-Benz S-Class W223 early builds out of warranty. This is the most advanced S-Class ever created, and that's exactly why it's dangerous without coverage. On paper, it's brilliant. Stunning interior, massive screens, next-level driver assistance, mild hybrid powertrains, and effortless performance. In reality, early W223 models represent a level of complexity that no used buyer should take on alone. The powertrains themselves are impressive, whether it's the inline-6 or the twin-turbo V8, but the surrounding systems are still proving themselves in the real world. The 48-volt electrical architecture adds another layer of risk, with reports of software glitches, integrated starter-generator faults, and battery-related issues that can immobilize the car. The V8's hot V turbo layout delivers great response, but creates serious heat management concerns long-term. Then there's build quality. Some early owners report interior creaks, trim issues, and materials that don't match the six-figure price tag. Even more concerning are early airmatic suspension failures on cars that are barely a few years old. Out of warranty, this S-Class isn't just expensive, it's unpredictable. This is not a car to gamble on. If you want a W223, buy it new or certified with full factory coverage and let Mercedes absorb the risk. Without that safety net, an early W223 turns cutting-edge luxury into a financial experiment you don't want to run. Now, let's talk about the first S-Class that actually earns its reputation, the 2009 to 2013 Mercedes-Benz S-Class W221 facelift. This is where Mercedes corrected the mistakes of the past without falling into the trap of overcomplicating the future. Many enthusiasts consider this generation the true sweet spot of modern S-Class ownership, and for good reason. By the facelift years, the W221 had already gone through real-world stress, recalls, and refinements, resulting in a flagship that feels solid, mature, and properly engineered. The engines are a big part of why this car works. Earlier, naturally aspirated V8 versions deliver smooth, effortless power with proven long-term durability, while later twin-turbo V8 models add performance and efficiency without dramatically increasing risk when maintained correctly. This generation still offers everything people expect from an S-Class: a quiet cabin, exceptional ride quality, advanced comfort features, and real road presence, but without the software-heavy architecture that defines newer models. Ownership after warranty isn't cheap, but it's predictable, and that's the difference. Airmatic suspension will age, but failures are well understood and manageable. Transmission service history matters, but when maintained on schedule, these cars routinely cover high mileage without catastrophic surprises. The W221 facelift is the last S-Class that feels luxurious without feeling fragile. It's not trying to impress with screens or gimmicks. It's focused on comfort, build quality, and engineering that holds up over time. If you want a flagship Mercedes that delivers the full S-Class experience without turning ownership into a gamble, this is where smart buyers start. Next up is the S-Class that finally delivers modern luxury without the early generation headaches. The 2018 to 2020 Mercedes-Benz S-Class W222 facelift. This is the point where Mercedes took everything that worked in the W222 and fixed what didn't. Early software issues were addressed, powertrains were refined, and the entire car feels noticeably more stable and predictable than the first years of this generation. This facelift brought engines that strike the right balance between performance and durability, whether it's the smooth inline-6 or the twin-turbo V8 options. The driving experience is exactly what an S-Class should be: quiet, confident, and effortlessly fast, even by today's standards. Technology is still a big part of the W222, but here it feels mature rather than experimental. Systems communicate better, updates are well documented, and failures are far less random than in earlier models. Ownership after warranty still demands respect, but it's no longer a blind gamble. Airmatic suspension components will wear over time, but failure patterns are known and manageable. Depreciation works in your favor here, turning what was once a six-figure flagship into a surprisingly attainable luxury sedan. This generation makes sense for buyers who want a modern S-Class with advanced features and presence, but without stepping into the complexity and unpredictability of the newest models. Now we move to a true legend, the 1997 to 1999 Mercedes-Benz S-Class W140 facelift, the car many consider the greatest S-Class ever built. This was Mercedes at the height of its cost-is-no-object era, when engineering priorities came before profit margins. Everything about the W140 feels overbuilt, from the doors that close like a bank vault to the materials that still hold up decades later. These facelift years are critical because they fixed early issues like biodegradable wiring harnesses, turning the W140 into a genuinely durable long-term car. Under the hood, you get some of the most respected engines Mercedes has ever produced, including the M119 V8 and the legendary M120 V12. These engines aren't about efficiency or modern emissions tricks, they're about smooth power and mechanical longevity. Performance is still respectable even today, but what really defines this car is how solid and composed it feels at any speed. Despite its age, the W140 avoids much of the electronic chaos found in newer luxury sedans, which is exactly why so many of these cars are still on the road with extremely high mileage. Ownership does require realism. This is a 25-year-old flagship, so age-related maintenance is unavoidable, especially cooling components, hydraulics, and vacuum systems. The V12 models demand deeper pockets, simply because everything is doubled. But when maintained properly, a W140 doesn't feel fragile or temperamental. It feels indestructible. This is not just a luxury sedan, it's a piece of automotive history, and one of the few S-Class generations that can genuinely outlast its owner. We finish the list with the most strategic S-Class you can buy today, the 2023 to 2025 Mercedes-Benz S-Class W223 S580 e-plug-in hybrid, but only if it's purchased new or certified with full factory coverage. This isn't about nostalgia or simplicity. This is about shifting risk away from the owner and back to Mercedes. The S580e represents the smartest way to experience the latest S-Class without gambling on early out-of-warranty complexity. The plug-in hybrid setup completely changes the ownership equation. With a long electric-only range, most daily driving happens without using fuel at all, reducing wear on the engine and dramatically lowering operating costs. When you do need power, the system delivers effortless performance that easily matches older V8 models. More importantly, buying this car new or CPO keeps the most complex systems fully covered, from the battery to the electronics and suspension. Yes, this is the most technologically advanced S-Class ever built. And yes, that means repairs can be expensive. That's exactly why warranty coverage is non-negotiable here. With protection in place, you get cutting-edge luxury, future-proof efficiency, and the full flagship experience without personal financial exposure. This isn't the cheapest S-Class to buy, but it is the most logical modern choice. If you're shopping for an S-Class in today's market, and you want the newest generation without turning ownership into a high-stakes gamble, the S580e with warranty is the correct move. Buy it right, keep coverage active, and let Mercedes pay for the complexity. That's the difference between owning an S-Class and surviving one. The year matters, the generation matters, and warranty strategy matters more than the badge itself. Buy the wrong S-Class and you'll regret the brand. Buy the right one and you'll understand why it's still the benchmark. Smart buyers don't chase the cheapest deal, they choose the right car. Make the right choice. The W222 facelift is one of the safest modern S-Class choices you can make.